Hundreds of baby green turtles emerge like a torrent from the safety of their nest. Each one, just 7 centimetres long, must make a 100-metre sprint down the beach. From the moment they hatch, they're driven by an instinctive urge to run to the sea. Few creatures start life with the odds for success so heavily stacked against them. Yellow-billed kites, pied crows. But so many of these hatchlings appear together that predators can't catch them all. Last out, this baby might seem doomed. But struggling out late could just give her a chance. The crows seem insatiable. Even those that reach the sea aren't safe. This female has to make a dash for it. She's still in danger, and not just from above. A ghost crab may be smaller than the hatchling, but it has the strength to drag her into its lair. Not this time. At last, the sea. Beyond the surf, calmer water. But even here, the hatchling is not out of danger. She dives. Just in time. Only one hatchling in 1,000 will survive to adulthood. But if she does, she may live for 80 years.